Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marion County, Wyandotte County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Forest, or 9 miles west of Upper Sandusky, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines.